MamaSue, keep the fire blazing. That one you go what?
Wild and versatile.
MamaSue style. All right, it's a beautiful evening. Blessed blessings to all my beautiful people out there that always tune in to MamaSue Kitchen. I don't know if you're tuning in for the first time. Please subscribe and like, share, comment. And MamaSue, what them video after that?
Hit that little notification bell.
There you go.
Ping.
So MamaSue, you got a special guest here this evening. We are going to roll into tonight. Look at this beautiful lady all the way from where?
Lakeland, Florida.
There you go.
Yes, man.
All right, so you've been watching MamaSue videos them for a while, huh?
Yes, man. And I had to come and see this live in person.
Live in person.
Yes,
I know you're not going to just see it live in person. You will taste it.
Oh, wow. I'm looking forward
You will
to
taste it.
Yes.
All right, MamaSue, what
Respect
you're going to
to
cook
every
tonight for your beautiful guests?
Well, tonight,
Uh-huh.
I will be cooking some cornmeal. In Jamaica, they said cornmeal.
Original.
And then some salmon with coconut.
Oh yes, real coconut. You're going to blend that out and make the juice.
Yes, I'm going to blend it out and make the juice too.
Put in the cornmeal. All right.
And then I'm going to put the salmon with pineapple. I'm going to
nice.
blend out some of the pineapple and make some sauce to go over the pineapple.
Oh, okay. So that sounds like roast salmon with roast pineapple or grilled salmon with grilled. It sounds like a mama. We're just going to call it the MamaSue special as usual.
Right.
And y'all know the MamaSue special.
Yes, and I have some
MamaSue bring a different thing.
And I have some chicken breast on the side that I'm going to put on the grill.
Okay.
I'm going to season it up and then I put it on the grill.
Okay, people. So, you know, you have to think and guess where we get it from. See it there? MamaSue, keep the fire blazing. Yes, peeps, the action start. As you can see, MamaSue guest here. She's looking. She see what's going on. You don't know. Yeah. So, she want to go on over here, so peeps, so you know Misty.
Yes, peeps, there.
Big up. You don't know MamaSue ready for run the blender, you know.
While I'm versatile.
Blend up the real coconut. When I use not tin coconut, in a real coconut, I go on and say, you know. And you see it, you know. The salmon there, say, you know.
And the chicken breast.
You see it. And people who don't know original Papito. Papito, look up. Papito, look up.
Papito,
look up. Coco him there, you know. See? So people see that all the seasoning, all the spice, everything look nice. Yeah. It's a MamaSue special with a special guest. You don't know. Yeah, man. I tell you, know, peeps. And guess what? She's a subscriber too from day one. I tell her, say, every video post, you know, she reach out and say, listen, man, have to come down there. Have to come down there.
MamaSue food.
Yeah, man. We can't see them nice food. And so far, tell me which one of the videos you watched so far that look so enticing and sweet and you're like, oh my God, I wish I was there to try that right now.
So it's a couple of videos that were amazing and appetizing. So one, the corned beef soup,
take the cake. Like I really wanted to try that corned beef soup. And then the rotisserie chicken, I can't feel myself a bite it right now.
Yes, that one, let me tell you.
The rotisserie chicken. And don't forget, the breadfruit and the roast yam and the fish, all of them, all of them.
Oh, yeah.
So, I mean, I'm not special. All I want to just tell you is what would I like for try right now.
Yes. Oh, I remember another MamaSue special, the sardine soup.
Yes, man, the sardine soup was bad, but I think I would have probably tried the corned beef soup first.
The corned beef soup.
Yes, corned beef soup. But I just imagine that sardine soup tastes like a fish tea.
Real fish tea, let me tell you about it.
A fish tea gone wild.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. Anything MamaSue a cook?
A gold, man. See some on the piece. MamaSue drop some season on it.
Some Maggi.
Original.
Original Maggi.
Big
season
up Maggi.
Up, all purpose.
The large.
See there?
The large, right?
The large.
Yes, it's a misty there.
Yes, what's his name?
Make the pineapple.
What's his name?
Yeah, man. Wild and versatile, man.
And this is the
black pepper.
Ground black pepper.
Wild and versatile.
Mama, no, I scrape it out.
Yeah, that is thin.
Mama, today, picking up.
Oh.
Yes, peeps. And MamaSue fire them always keep blazing, You know, so when them keep blazing, you know what? Sometimes them blaze out. So we have to go blazing back the fire now. You understand me? I say? So that I go on, peeps. So you go on. I am going to set up this camera. And while them I make the preparation, and our guest is here sipping on some
right here,
sorrel,
MamaSue.
well cured MamaSue sorrel. And see that she clocked that already, so we have to go refill up that cup there,
Yes, man.
The glass there, yeah, man. So let me set the tripod right here. Yeah, while MamaSue and Misty are doing them preparation. Wild and versatile, peeps. A MamaSue style, man.
Yeah, man. Let me catch you with something else.
Wild and versatile. Right. Now go set up the fire yet until MamaSue kind of quite ready, because as she keep the fire blazing, you know what, it will blaze out. It will blaze out. So she keep the fire blazing. And because she keep the fire blazing, it will blaze out.
Huh?
Big wood yarn charm. A big thing I'm going here. Who's that? What's his name? What's his name? Huh? Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, man, come.
Alright, you get something, MamaSue.
Yeah.
Wild and versatile.
MamaSue style.
Where am I on the trip? I'm going to do a little business and all that. Oh, see? Yes, peeps, so there is progress, there is progress. Look at this. MamaSue lift off the pineapple lid, them so I go on. Why? Yes, that look nice. Hold on, MamaSue. Got to take a picture of that. Wow. Looking good, looking good.
Yes, just a little black pepper.
Looking good, looking good. Looking good, looking good. looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. It's looking good. Looking good, looking good. Looking good, looking good. Yes, peeps, so this is what's going on right here. MamaSue have some sliced pineapple on the fire while it's blazing. You see it? While it's blazing, see how the people, original MamaSue.
Keep the fire blazing.
I see the peeps.
What peeps them?
That a go on.
And what a go on?
Yeah, man, see it there? Yeah. So MamaSue do the do, you see it?
You just for sure the end.
Not true?
Yeah.
Yeah, more in there, no chips, if you want thing there. Yeah, man. Chip boss, big up MamaSue thing. You go on like you don't big up MamaSue thing, man. Big up MamaSue thing, man.
MamaSue large, man, you don't know it. Round the back.
Original chip boss, you don't know. Run your ground, run Senton. MamaSue granddaughter, big up MamaSue.
MamaSue, keep the fire blazing.
Wild and versatile.
Where's this
Tell the
thing?
truth now, me not tell you to take out some vitamin and put down.
What that?
Food
Alright, people, see Misty and Chip Boss argue they know because peeps, I want you replay about the video, and I go see. We roast one big breadfruit and Chip Boss nyam off half of the breadfruit. Half of the breadfruit he nyam off, you know. Misty did their work. Are the whole breadfruit? Well, see it there?
Don't make it look so bad. Don't make me feel embarrassed.
Embarrassed, you're right.
See it there? Yeah, man, Misty did plan for her, the peeps. Misty did plan for him, I should say. Plan for him, you know. See it there? Yeah, man. See fire blazing here? See fire blazing here?
Yeah, make that the fire blaze to put the I will put them on the grill, the chicken. But I am here's the pot. You don't turn on. Where it is?
I never carry the extension come.
No.
Ali, look inside of the house there, you see the extension. That one that you think there. Peeps, you know, say, if a egg, papito, they right in the yellow. Yeah, man. We are the white part and papito there and I miggle. Watch him. See me? Come, hold up head and big up MamaSue people.
Where's mommy phone?
See, you hear him, Sanja? See, you say MamaSue, say the MamaSue. I give you.
Say it again.
All right. That's MamaSue grand boy, right? That's so. Keep the fire blazing. Maliana, big up grandma thing, MamaSue.
Big up MamaSue.
Yeah.
Where's the phone?
Mm-hmm.
Well, can you go get it? So he left my phone in the ground?
Yeah, man.
No.
Yeah.
There.
So see the peeps are the vibes, these are the settings. And you don't know what to represent. See it there? High in the sky are blue, you know. We love Jamaica when I sell out. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, peace. We could do a little test run right here, so. Because you watch the whole of MamaSue video them. Sorry for the bright light. You understand? But follow me now. MamaSue, keep the fire blaze. That one you go wild. Versatile. Yeah, there. What? Wild and versatile, you know? MamaSue style. Why you?
Subscribe.
Bing. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Bing.
Say bing.
Yeah, man. But MamaSue them, man, cause the fire blazing, it really blazing.
Patient, man.
It really. We don't have no breadfruit in there. One breadfruit never in there. Chip with the bread. What the bread, you know, can roast? You know, MamaSue, what the breadfruit there? Where in I roast there? You know?
No, it's not good.
Yeah.
MamaSue, young, you know, man. Yes, MamaSue, young. I look good.
Thank you very much for the compliment.
You know, people who carry the hair, you grace.
Yeah, man. You see, when we go to country, I used to teach the basic school, and those kids now are big like Russian for me used to teach them. And I'm telling you, the kids them say, why? Wait now! Oh, tell me the father.
What on, man? See how far? Big up MamaSue, man.
MamaSue, man. Big up MamaSue.
MamaSue style.
Keep the fire burning.
Yeah, man, there's not a dull moment around Clarice. Wild and versatile. Where you say MamaSue, you go blend now?
Yeah, go blend, man. Put them up on the grill. And the fire sit there.
Oh, you put them on the side there.
Yeah, put the
So we have something over here in the current. We have, I don't know, heavy duty thing still. Some cigar.
yes,
Yes, peeps. See it there? MamaSue, I put some
Don't move, don't move.
put some chicken breast on the grill, yeah?
Don't move.
No fire on that though. No,
Come here, let me see.
chicken breast easy fit.
Low fire, you know?
And we put the cornmeal in this pot, the turned cornmeal.
What you want now? What you do now? Oh, you blend now. Alright.
Go. Look here. Go over there. Go over there. The child said no.
MamaSue, what you face?
Come, MamaSue, keep
He said, man. Zen.
This I wanna go wild.
And versatile. MamaSue. Run it.
Yes,
All right.
please.
Real coconut. Stop it, you operate the blender. Stop it. You're licking a low gear.
Yes, thank you very much, Tony.
Good job.
Tony, can you please fetch me some water?
Fire blazing over here. MamaSue chicken breast. Fire blazing, you know? MamaSue style.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hold on, the MamaSue. Where you do? Okay. See it there? MamaSue, I go throw out the thing. Where you go do? Oh, you go. Yeah. Oh, you have to go wash out. Okay. All right. Where water there?
And Tamika come with
Oh, Tamika go feel water. Watch your finger, boy.
Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Go there. And you are turning it out. Go. Watch out. You're too stubborn, man.
MamaSue, keep the fire blazing.
All right. You just love video light. Camera light.
My MamaSue kitchen.
See Papito and his grandfather there.
My MamaSue in the kitchen.
I saw Papito turning him and rule him want to do him. You see him face serious, you want to do what you want to do. Yes, peeps, so this is the vibes, this is the energy. It's all natural, it's all authentic, it's all real. I don't know. You see it? Yeah, man. So we live, you know, loving and unite and just give thanks and praise to the Almighty. So peeps, you don't know, just join the team, join the family, join the crew. You don't know. Enjoy yourself on the other side. You understand? It doesn't matter if you over there and we over here. We are sharing the love to you and your family. You understand? Thank you for your continuously support to MamaSue Kitchen. Thank you for your like. Thank you for your subscription. So if you're watching for the first time, you don't know, please subscribe. You don't know, and hit that notification bell. And once you hit the notification bell, hit all so you can get notified. So every video that we uploaded, you get notified when those videos are uploaded. You understand? For bookings for MamaSue, so you don't know, if you want to book MamaSue for your event, to cook, for your wedding, for anything that you're putting together, you don't know, just send us an email at MamaSue Kitchen for you, as in number 4, the letter U, at gmail.com. It's MamaSue, MamaSue KITCHEN, number 4, the letter U, at gmail.com. Send us an email and we will talk business. You understand? Yeah, man. It's all real, it's all authentic, it's original, and it's wicked and wild and versatile. Yeah. Well, we're going to take out the wicked. It's wild and versatile, and it's MamaSue style. And also, people, remember to check out our other videos. MamaSue have some special up there. Oh, let me show you what I go on. Remember the corned beef soup. It's going viral. It's going wild and versatile.
I'm going to
see what's going on right here now.
Coconut milk.
MamaSue pouring the coconut milk right now to make the cornmeal. Oh my God, this is go wild and versatile. MamaSue style.
Yeah.
MamaSue. MamaSue.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's the vibes, the energy.
Oh, right.
Okay. This I got nice. This I got nice.
So I'm going to pour in also the bell pepper, onion, and the
coconut milk, that peeps.
yes, the
Real
bell
coconut
pepper,
milk, bell pepper gone in.
yes, and the red peas. Little by little.
Is it soap in there?
So let's.
See it there?
Covered me more.
Yeah, man. Peeps, look here. Wow, go on here, so peeps.
Yes, big it
Something.
up.
Yes, yes,
Big it up
yes.
every time.
All the time.
All the time.
All the time. Wow. Early Mother's Day gift.
Oh, thank you,
Whoa.
Daddy.
Look that, man, that's so nice. You see how we live, peeps, are that me I talk about. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. Yes.
I'm also gonna put in some thyme, some thyme and rosemary.
Yes. So people, remember, it's just not about the scallion. It's always about the time. That's some me extra and go ahead of peeps. I love to make rhyme over everything, you know. Yeah. I remember say we have the new tune and me come up, you know, the new intro for MamaSue thing, you know. You understand? MamaSue, 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 MamaSue. Cooking for me, say she cooking for you. And when the pot done cook, say yeah, I go taste the pot. MamaSue, 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 MamaSue.
Put up on escalator.
Cooking for me, say she cooking for you. And when the pot done cook, say yeah, I go taste the pot. I know me alone, you know, I go taste the pot.
Yes, cutting up some
Onions.
yes, some onions.
Purple
and
onion.
scallion. Purple onion, good. It having great benefits.
I say yeah, long time you know eat some ton can still no?
I'm faster than you.
MamaSue, you know, me not think you never drop some shrimp in a ton Cornmeal. No? Shrimp in the fridge. Ah, you not put in there. What you think, Miss Steve? Put shrimp in there? Okay. See that all of that escalon gone in there, so.
And I'm just going to let it cook for a while.
So good nice, no
Oh,
Clarence.
the seasoning, look at that. Oh my God. Beautiful piece. Tony, where you have to? I'm right here. Beautiful piece.
The kitchen is very excited.
Very excited. Yes, peeps.
Give it to Papa, Bang.
Yeah, man. Original Clarence, you know. Yes, peeps. Big up all of MamaSue subscribers them, you know, from St. Thomas in Jamaica, you know. Big up the whole of St. Thomas. Big up the whole of Wochi, you don't know, yo. Big up the whole of Kingston. Big up the whole of Mandeville, you don't know. Manchester,
peeps,
Portland.
peeps.
And you don't know.
Happy Mother's Day to all my female subscribers
And viewers.
and viewers.
And remember, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Bing!
Uh-huh.
Like that bing!
Well, I'm versatile.
Panaboya.
He said, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
Not wash. You want to know what it's for wash out?
Yeah, peeps, Jamaica. Yes, peeps. See the progress, yeah? Oh my gosh, looking good, looking
Yeah,
good,
making
looking
some
good.
sauce.
Looking
pineapple.
good.
I make a pineapple
Am I
sauce
gonna
to
have
glaze
to
it
take all the
with
way
some
till
flour.
next week? I said yes. He said, oh.
Some,
Oh.
So, flour
Wow.
to make the gravy
Money
and
head. I
some
said, it's not
pineapple,
that
some
bad.
soya sauce, ginger, garlic.
Yes, peeps, looking good, looking good.
Ready to-
Yes. While I'm versatile, man. Yes, peeps.
Now put in the Cornmeal now, peeps.
This definitely wild. I'm versatile.
Cornmeal swelling up, peeps. That's one stir. 1/3.
Oh, that's why I name turn Cornmeal.
Yeah, 1/3.
Where you say MamaSue gets excited about the menu tonight?
Absolutely. I cannot wait to try it because I have never had this before. Turned cornmeal with peas, so I'm looking forward to it.
Nice,
With
nice.
glazed salmon.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm definitely looking forward to it.
Yep.
But in the meantime, but I like to have my drink.
While I'm versatile.
Yes, peeps. Turn off the Cornmeal. Why they call it turn Cornmeal? You have to constantly turn it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, me go feed there. Hold on. Me done sitting there.
About to try this Ciroc.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's see.
Coconut.
Yes, and I'm gonna have it with some pineapple juice. So
Mm-hmm.
we'll see what happens.
Trouble. Yeah, man, Cornmeal hot.
Yes, please, I have to turn it in a fire. You see, you have to do it good. I cannot do it good and so it's going to puff your belly. Puff your belly, so.
Peeps, this are good. If you don't do it good.
If you not do it properly.
Yeah, properly.
I know everybody can make it, you know.
I used to make it, man. I mean,
The coconut and the coconut.
yeah, I see this a coconut well cooked.
I don't know what you do with it. Here, see Papito, they have drink out of one glass.
Yes, peeps. So they are still a whole of vibes that you don't know. Ton Cornmeal a ton. And you don't know Sandra here is having a drink, another drink, and another drink, and another drink.
Oh, Lord.
You don't know. Original Clarence here drink some tea. I bust a one gas real quick.
Drink some tea and I wait for me turn Cornmeal.
Yes, it, yeah, man. Wild and versatile, MamaSue style. You see one Tony Papito. You see him face? What? You see him face? You see him face? Turn on the light, boy. Turn on back the light. Yeah, peeps, I'm going to see what I go on. Oh my gosh, that looks so good, peeps. Looking good, looking good. Looking so good. Chicken breast over here, so looking nice and glazed. Pineapple. Nice. Hold on, the MamaSue. It's a wild and versatile, man.
Yeah.
Wild and versatile. Lift up one of the pineapple and see what I go on. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Salmon in a pineapple.
That, oh my God.
I tell you.
Great.
Looking good, looking good.
They did pineapple glaze.
The grape.
Papito, you know, peeps. You might go see this 10 years from now. I tell you. You might go.
Ginger.
You know, see my greater ginger? Boy, you can't cook, you know, and grow with your granny. You have to go can cook. Anybody will grow with them granny, you go can cook. I mean, I first one for Susan, you know, man. PP clock me there in the kitchen with Susan. What? Oh, that's why I'm a bad chef, man. Really? 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 Oh gosh, I'll be a chef about the place. Yes, peeps. Alright, you know. We're going to put some lobster in a turn Cornmeal. Yeah, we did have some curry lobster. Season up and everything already. So MamaSue, I'm going to just put a twist to our thing right here, so now. MamaSue, get you. You have the camera in here. Yeah. So yeah, man. So, lobster turn Cornmeal, it turned out to be. Yeah, man. Because we put lobster in it now.
You might have some lobster.
Fresh lobster, look on it. And see the. Oh, look at this, look at this. Yard and abroad, brother. MamaSue style, yeah. Yeah, man, our head, man. Show that run, man. Yes, people, so you don't know. Turn Cornmeal. Lobster turn Cornmeal. Turn out to be. We still have the salmon and the pineapple and all of that. You see me I say? Yeah, you don't know. Yeah, man. Oh, First Lady, big up yourself.
Alright.
There.
Syrup and pineapple.
Wow. What you say, Clarence? Yeah, man, up there. Yeah, man, see it there? Yes, peeps. Yes, peeps, looking good. Wild and versatile, MamaSue style. You don't know, peeps. Continue to show support, you don't know. Remember, if you're scrolling through and you run up another video, please subscribe. Remember to like, remember to share, remember to drop your comment, and hit that notification bell and the subscription. Yes, peeps, yes, peeps. So, MamaSue is adding the lobster to the ton cornmeal now. That one is wild and versatile. Lobster ton cornmeal. Wow. See it there? She have put it on a fresh lobster to the peeps. Nice, nice. Alright, MamaSue. Yeah, go flick it up, you know. Wild and versatile. Story it up, MamaSue. Story in the curry. Wild MamaSue.
Why?
I can't wait.
But I eat some of this right now. Can't even wait, brother.
Well, you know, I watch this no video, so you actually can't eat it right now.
No, me need to say no.
One piece of pineapple and roast.
Yeah, roast pineapple, Miss Steve. Yes, peeps, so you don't know.
Oh my gosh, man.
Yeah, man, the ship soon dock. The ship dock already, basically. You don't know the ship dock. Yeah, man, nice, nice. Yes, peeps, see it, yeah? Wild and versatile, wild and versatile. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, and this is our chicken breast, salmon, pineapple. You don't know, you know. Lobster ton cornmeal over here, so you know. Yes, see it there? Lobster ton cornmeal. The real deal. Start out to be regular cornmeal. But you know what? Yeah, man. Put a twist to it. A MamaSue style, you know.
MamaSue, keep the fire blazing.
Hey!
Wild and versatile.
Little glazing, man.
Wild and versatile, peeps. Yeah, peeps.
So it look nice.
Yeah, peeps. Yes, peeps. See it here, see it here. The ship dock.
Yes, the plain land.
Well, a plain land, ship
Ship
dock.
dock.
Yeah, ship dock.
Move 20 from there.
MamaSue, MamaSue.
Move 20 from there.
Cooking for me, say she cooking for you.
Come here.
And when the pot done cook, say yeah, I go taste the pot. Yeah.
Pineapple.
Time for him eat.
Yes, peeps.
It's the plain land.
See it there?
Warm to the music, man.
Papa,
Yeah, man, we soon run the music.
Please.
Come to Tony, man. Tony, come now, man. And watch it fire.
Watch it
Chicken
fire.
from there, son.
Like 21 turn one little early chef, you see. That's love right there, peeps. Real love. True love. Yes, MamaSue.
It's late now. I want to look at TLC. So I say what time. Yeah. I want to look at TLC. I know.
The
Yeah,
pineapple.
MamaSue.
Yeah.
What the fuck
Where
there?
part there? Give me
What
some.
plastic for them?
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Peeps,
Wow.
pineapple salmon and chicken breast.
Lobster.
Lobster turn cornmeal.
Cornmeal,
Uh-huh.
salmon, and
Alright,
chicken
so
breast.
Uh-huh.
Oh, am I on this list?
yes man, we're giving it to the guests.
Look.
Oh, everybody look. I haven't tasted it yet, but it smells very good.
Uh-huh.
Don't even know where to start. Hey, boy, this looks so good. Salmon, chicken breast. What is lobster?
You know, mix up in a turn cornmeal.
Jesus. Wow. Wait, let me see something here now. Wow. MamaSue this.
Yeah.
Wicked and wild.
And
versatile. Very good. Yes, man, this good. Bad.
Real good. Tony, I make that boy buck say, hey, thump him boy.
The bird no fly at night.
Enter, you see your mother, you sure.
Very delicious.
Nice, man.
See it there?
Yes, man, very good. Very good.
Oh. Alright. Mr. Chippy, no one. Chippy down on me. Chippy, no one. Mr. Cornmeal, one to drop. I'm not in case.
Yeah, Papa want take out.
Where I can take over glass? You know me want to
Oh no, Chippy no want so much to cut that in half. You know eat that much. Yeah, you know eat that much.
You know, say me want to show off. Me want to make sure you
Chippy, this alright for you.
As soon as I tap what your boy, man. Yeah, alright, this one, tap.
Yeah, man, make him the only thing though, this MamaSue turn cornmeal and go buy them up, you know, so.
You never eat this before.
Lobster turn cornmeal.
Well, mix my dears, taste it, me boy.
Yeah.
Me have to big him up, me have to go spread out this plan so I have people.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is very bad.
Very
bad.
Yeah, man. Wild and versatile. Yeah, I did. But no left away. No left away.
It's okay, we are entertained with
Eh?
guests.
No left away, Chip Boss. So, big, tell him how MamaSue think this, bro.
Boy, I can't better.
Alright, we know what that means. It can't better, oh my God.
MamaSue.
Yes. So when I go versatile.
This tastes good.
Thank you.
Very good, MamaSue.
I see that you're really enjoying
Oh,
it.
ma'am.
MamaSue and the crew.
Good, versatile.
If I yank him, you have to make him taste it. You never taste it, man. You have got it.
Hold on, peeps, hold on. Let me get that nice. We try it.
Your wife American? Okay. Wait a minute.
Wild and versatile. MamaSue. Alright, you know, so heat time, you know.
Yes.
Yes, so you don't know. Just big up your fans them real quick, yeah. We could
Yes,
close
peeps.
out the show.
Yes, peeps, you know the right thing.
So do the right thing.
Please do the right thing. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the little notification bell. Bing-a-ding! When get,
Put up new video.
when upload new video,
You get notified.
notify.
Yeah.
Respect to every aspect. See you in my next video.
Peeps, but still they are struggle. MamaSue did their struggle. Misty and Papi today are struggle and a juggle.
Earlier, man.
Clarence, that one. See Chippy down over there, tear up that. Easy with the plate, brother. Hold on, people, I'm showing you.
Look up, man, look up.
Hey, man, I go ahead and crack all the edge of the plate. You know see what I go on.
I mean, I struggle. No struggle right here. This
You
is
know
my
what you do right
friend.
there, you just get a radam.
The plate can't eat.
And that's it.
No, but this was really, really good. So I want to tell you guys, please check out MamaSue. This kitchen here is very, very wild and versatile.
Versatile.
Check out MamaSue. Like, subscribe, and share. And you can call. Where you saw? Where you saw? What the address?
Huh?
Because we need MamaSue.
We are going to send it
This
a
is
road
so
now.
good. It's so good. So people, you have to check this out. This was delicious. So this was lobster turned cornmeal, salmon, pineapple salmon, and chicken. It was delicious off the chain. Yes, and this is my grilled pineapple that is left for my dessert. I'm about to devour this right now.
Wow.
Okay?
Devour. You hear them people?
Yeah, it from my subscriber.
Yeah, man. So like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification
Bell. What's your name?
Not people sit there
Yes,
done.
people.
No,
No, sir.
no,
No, sir.
no, man.
They're done.
Chip all the plate of people.
Chief
Yeah,
Valley.
man, it's very, very, very good. Authentic Jamaican food.
Yeah, man.
As a matter of fact, this is something totally different from the traditional Jamaican food, alright? So this is authentic wood fire,
Outdoor thing.
great food. So
Yeah.
check out MamaSue.
Yeah.